Watlah haka sien ke Nyngkong, bala siem ya ke jinglong MLA, bat haka juk kapor uyu pediang ya ke jinglong menteri, jong ke sorkar Meghalaya. Bat ulak badru, habun benta kum minister. Naka PHE minister, bat haka liang jong ke sport. Ti ula jubab ya ke kabaki briu ki keli jingkeli. Kalalong kaburam naka mautharishan constituency, watlah deyu MLA, ubadang kena. Hanrei udayu MLA ubala kot kabor ubalala ban jubab watlah kadai kasin ka Nyngkong ka jong u ban sim haka benta na ka sport hakisnam ki bala adem umdai ma u takadaw kalalong ka bai hanrei ka jinya raplam jong ukli jong ka sorkar u konrad ki sangma kalalong ya u ban kampen sukhndian ya ka ka ba un jubab ka jing Shlur ka jong u kalapan ya ka nam bat kamurom jong kamotharshan constituency.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 16. Yes, sir.
Mr. Gabriel Walang.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. The question which I have asked, and I just got only yes, sir, means I fail to understand what are the intentions I would like to know. In details, if you have any, regarding developing the sport infrastructure.
So I have here the past 5 years. So a lot of infrastructure has been constructed in our state. And for the next, and we've submitted some more proposals, sir, to the central government, but we are yet to receive sanctions, sir, for all those proposals that we sent.
May I know from the minister in charge, Mr. Speaker, sir, how many football stadiums do we have in the state of Meghalaya, and how many artificial turf football ground do we have in the state of Meghalaya?
So we have it's a very long list, sir. If the honourable member wants the breakup of how many.
You may lay it on the table.
Yeah, if the honourable member wants, sir, I can give it to him. But it's a very long list, sir.
You can lay it on the table.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
The House. Yes, Professor listening to please.
So 2 years ago, we were supposed to have the national games here in Shillong. Was it cancelled because of the lack of infrastructure?
So I think that subject is not, because this is about infrastructure, sir. So that's a different subject altogether. So for that, I'll require notice, sir.
No, it is very much related, sir, because infrastructure in the state of Meghalaya. So was the national games cancelled because we lack the infrastructure?
So, as mentioned by Honourable Member, Honourable Minister, the entire infrastructure details are there with us. But this is a slightly different question, and I'll just answer this. So, the Indian Olympic Association has different states in the sequence of order for hosting the national games, which happens every 2 years. And there are still 3 states before us who have not yet hosted the national games, namely Goa, Uttarakhand and Chhattisgarh. I may be, the sequence may not be correct, but till those states don't host it, our chance doesn't come. So even if we are ready with infrastructure, it is that sequence that has to be followed. And we are told that Goa will be hosting it this year. And once that happens, then the next state gets its turn. And maybe in the next 6 years to 8 years is what we're looking at. So it is nothing to do with the infrastructure not being available. In fact, we were on war footing to put up our infrastructure because we all felt that we should have it in the 50th year of our statehood. And hence, since we could not host that, you may recall, sir, that we hosted the Northeast Olympics that time. And it was done very, very successfully. Every athlete from every part of the Northeast appreciated it.
May I know,
and hence, we had the necessary infrastructure. Of course, it would have been very, very tight for us. but we would have been
it's
able to
under
do it.
Khelo
But
India scheme,
it is
sir.
not because of the lack of infrastructure.